Chia seeds have become extremely popular in recent years due to their exceptional health benefits. But what are they actually good for, and what is the best way to consume them? Should we soak them, eat them raw, or sprinkle them onto our foods? My name is Claudia, I'm a 44 years old nutritionist and I help busy women make healthy eating easy. In this video, I'll discuss the benefits of chia seeds for our body, the best way to consume them, and how to easily incorporate them into our diets. Stay tuned to see all the recipes. Most importantly, I'll explain why we should not eat them dry. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are the tiny oval-shaped seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, which belongs to the mint family. These seeds were prized by ancient Aztec warriors, who believed they provided strength and endurance during battle. Chia seeds have a neutral taste and can be easily incorporated into various dishes. They come in black and white varieties, but there is no difference in nutritional content. Nutrition profile. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains about 70 calories, 2.5 grams of complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that cannot be made by the body, vitamin Bs, mostly B1, and good amounts of selenium, copper, and phosphorus, as well as iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and calcium. In fact, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds has more calcium than a glass of milk. They are the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains approximately 5 grams of fiber with prebiotic effects, mainly soluble fiber and mucilage, which is a substance responsible for the gluey texture of moistened chia seeds. Benefits of eating chia seeds. Improves digestion. Chia seeds contain soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance. This substance acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. Additionally, the fiber in chia seeds slows down digestion, which can prevent blood sugar spikes after eating and promote a feeling of fullness. This can improve digestion, prevent constipation, and lower the risk of various digestive disorders. Reduces and protects from inflammation. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can assist in managing chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Chia seeds are one of the anti-inflammatory fatty foods that aid in the detoxification of our body. They are also a rich source of nutrients such as polyunsaturated fats that protect against inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Supports heart health. Current research indicates that chia seeds have many health-promoting properties. They are believed to have a beneficial effect on improving the blood lipid profile by reducing LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol. Experiments have confirmed their hypotensive, hypoglycemic, antimicrobial, and immunostimulating effects. Improve cognitive functions. Chia seeds contain flavonoids such as quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and caffeic acids. These compounds have been proven to have anti-carcinogenic, antihypertensive, and neuroprotective effects. Moreover, chia seeds have a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve cognitive performance. Helps in weight loss. Chia seeds are rich in fiber. When soaked, they increase the size and volume, which promotes feeling of fullness and reduces food cravings. This can help maintain a healthy weight by reducing the intake of unnecessary calories. Helps produce serotonin. As Dr. Lisa Moscone explains in her book Brain Food, serotonin is one of the neurotransmitters that have a profound effect on our cognitive performance and mental capacities. It influences our emotional stability, sleep patterns, memory, and appetite. Production of serotonin can occur if the essential amino acid tryptophan is present. Moreover, for tryptophan to be converted in serotonin, vitamin B6 is necessary. Chia seeds are rich in both tryptophan and vitamin B6. Last but not least, chia seeds help improve lymphatic function and increase insulin sensitivity, which is one of the underlying issues with regard to obesity and weight gain. Best ways to eat chia seeds. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is a great option for breakfast or dessert. Simply let the chia seeds soak in your favorite milk for at least 1 hour or overnight, so that they can absorb the liquids and form a pudding-like texture. For delicious twist, try layering chia pudding with almond butter and homemade jam, using this recipe up here. Chia gel. Chia gel can be prepared by soaking chia seeds in a liquid of our choice. We can prepare larger quantities and store it in the fridge for up to 1 week. We can then add some of the gel to smoothies or beverages to boost the nutrient value and create a thicker, more satisfying consistency. Overnight oats with chia. An overnight oat recipe is an easy way to eat chia seeds. Like this coffee overnight oats recipe, where you let the oats and chia seeds soak directly in coffee. Chia sprouts. To make chia sprouts, place chia seeds in a terracotta saucer or unglazed clay dish in a single layer, spaced apart from one another. Spray the seeds with water several times and cover with plastic wrap or a clear glass dish. Put the dish in a sunny spot and spread it in the morning and evening until green sprouts appear. This process typically takes about 3 to 7 days. Once the sprouts have grown, they can be used in salads or sandwiches as microgreens. Homemade granola. Chia seeds can also be added to a homemade granola like this one to increase its protein and fiber content. Egg replacer. Chia seeds can be used as a replacement for whole eggs in baking. To replace 1 whole egg, mix 1 tablespoon of whole chia seeds or 2 teaspoons of ground chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Allow to sit for at least 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens to the consistency of a raw scrambled egg. Chia seeds have little to no distinctive flavor, so they won't compete with other flavors in our dishes. Dressing. Chia seeds can be used in dressings to add crunchiness to salads or meal bowls. You might have noticed the pattern of soaking the chia seeds before eating them. On one side, it's because when soaked, they create this gel-like substance, which is one of the beneficial fiber. On the other side, it's because eating dry seeds might be dangerous. And this is how. Worst way to eat chia seeds. Eating dry chia seeds is the worst way to consume them, especially if you have dysphagia, a condition that causes difficulty in swallowing or any other digestive issues. Chia seeds can absorb up to 27 times their weight in water, which means that if you eat them dry, they will expand post-ingestion. This can cause serious problems, as was the case with a man who spent several hours in the emergency room after eating 1 tablespoon of dry chia followed by a glass of water. The seeds expanded and blocked the man's esophagus, and it took doctors hours to push a few seeds at a time into the stomach. However, there is no need to panic. Chia seeds are a real superfood, and as we've seen, they can be very beneficial for our health. Just make sure you consume them properly, such as by adding them to a liquid or a moist food. As a nutritionist, chia seeds are one of the 10 foods I eat daily. And if you're curious about the other 9, you can check out this video here. And if you're new to my channel and want to make healthy eating easy, make sure you subscribe right here to watch new videos every Sunday. If you're interested in working one-on-one with me, you can check out the link I left in the description box. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.